Our sun is a magnificent ball of fire constantly churning out energy and light. But what happens when it erupts with an enormous amount of energy, enough to impact our planet and disrupt our way of life? That is exactly what happened in 1859 in an event known as the Carrington Event. In this video, we will explore what the Carrington Event was, how it happened, what effects it had on our planet, and what if the Carrington Event were to happen today. The Carrington Event was a massive solar storm, one of the most powerful in recorded history. It occurred on September 1st, 1859, when the Sun unleashed a coronal mass ejection towards Earth. The storm was named after Richard Carrington, an amateur astronomer who was the first to notice a sudden and intense brightening on the Sun's surface, which he attributed to a massive solar flare. Solar storms happen when the Sun's magnetic fields become twisted and release huge amounts of energy in the form of CME. CME is a large burst of charged particles that were ejected from the Sun's surface. But why did the Sun's magnetic fields twist to create such a powerful eruption? That's a question the scientists are still working to answer. One theory is that the magnetic fields become twisted due to the motion of the plasma on the Sun's surface. Another theory suggests that twisting occurs when the magnetic fields of two sunspots interact with each other. When this happens, the magnetic fields can snap and release huge amounts of energy. There is still much to learn about the Sun and its activity, but one mission is helping scientists gather more data than ever before: NASA's Parker Solar Probe. If you are interested in learning more about Parker Solar Probe mission, be sure to check out my video on it. When the CME from the Carrington event reached Earth, it caused a massive geomagnetic storm. The energetic particles from the storm interacted with Earth's magnetic field, causing it to fluctuate and creating electrical currents in the ionosphere, a region of the upper atmosphere. These currents caused auroras to be visible in many parts of the world. But the Carrington event wasn't just a light show. The storm also had a significant impact on the Earth's infrastructure. Telegraph systems, which were the primary means of long-distance communication at the time, was severely affected. Some telegraph operators reported shocks from their equipment, while others reported that their systems continued to operate even after they had been disconnected from their power sources, thanks to enormous energy that was being generated by the storm. This was the first time that humans had experienced a major space weather event, and it highlighted our vulnerability of our technological infrastructure. But what if the Carrington event were to happen today with our complex and interconnected technology? Experts warn that the impact would be catastrophic. If the Carrington event were to happen today, the impact would be felt all over the world. Our power grids would be knocked out, leaving millions without electricity for months. Our communication system would be down, making it too difficult to coordinate relief efforts and causing widespread panic. And it's not just our technology that would be impacted. The event could also cause damage to our ozone layer, increasing our exposure to harmful radiation. The impact of the event on modern technology is a scary prospect. It's estimated that it could cause up to $2 trillion in damages and take years to fully recover from. The Carrington event was a powerful reminder of Sun's immense power and its potential to disrupt our way of life. As our reliance on technology continues to grow, it's essential that we continue to monitor space weather and take steps to mitigate its potential impact on our infrastructure. So that's it for this video on the Carrington event. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more space related content.